And welcome into the ballpark. Happy to have you with us. AAA action coming at you on the show. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders taking on the Columbus Clippers. First pitch coming at you right after the break. Just about set to go now. Today's starting pitcher, Daniel Espino.
A very forgettable start his last time out. Was only able to work a couple of innings. We're looking for him to put it all together today. Command, tempo, and just really a confident presence out there on the mound.
Catfish. Wow. Hey, one time, right now. Here we go.
And that one pulled foul. On the ground to third. Noel to second. Double play. What a twin killing to end the inning. One error in the inning, but nothing more. So it's on to the bottom of inning number 1. No score. Digging in, Petey Halpin.
For the Clippers, the center fielder, Petey Halpin.
The pitch. To the right side. Nice grab. The throw. And he'll be safe at first.
Oh, that one right there had the looks of one of those plays of the week. Great diving stop, but he just couldn't set up to make a good throw. Maybe got a little too excited. He was probably feeling it as well, but either way, that's a tough play and a tough error.
So here's Brown at the plate. 0 for 1 so far.
The second baseman. Catfish. Wow.
And he deals. There's the strike. Swings through that.
Cold night tonight, Boog, and that's a pretty firm fastball right there. I tell you what, memories of getting jammed, they are creeping into my mind right now.
Swing and a pop-up. And it's caught for the out.
Going to have a little more discipline in future at-bats. That pitch looked good, but you can't hit it. It was just too high in the zone. You usually see a...
So 2 down. Now it's the DH, Oscar Gonzalez.
Picked up an RBI in his last at-bat. Still their only run of the game so far.
0-2 now. On the ground, right side. Gathers and throws to first. And the inning is over. No runs on 2 hits, no errors, and 2 men left stranded. We played 4. The Clippers out front, 1-0. Now it's the second baseman, Catfish Brown. Brown measures 6 feet 2 inches, 200 pounds, and he was a 3rd-round pick in 2023.
Well, this guy on the mound's done a lot better than we would have expected, and the hitters just don't seem to have the right game plan. They're taking too many mistake pitches for called strikes.
He makes the grab, and that's the inning. So another good inning for him on the mound. 6 shutout innings now. On to the bottom of inning number 6. The Clippers out front here, 1-0. Catfish Brown, the next to hit.
If you're a base runner, you got to stay dialed in here. Look for anything in the dirt. Try your best to get into scoring position.
Ground ball to the right side. Gonzalez takes it to the bag. 3rd out, and that ends the frame. But they score twice and even it up late. Home half of inning number 8 straight ahead. We are tied 2-2. (4-3) our final score. For Chris Singleton and our entire crew, I'm John Shambi saying so long.
The final line score for our ball game.
And welcome in, everybody. Glad you're with us. The show has AAA baseball for you. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders taking on the Columbus Clippers. First pitch coming your way next. So, almost ready to get underway on the hill here today. Daniel Espino.
Well, he got into the 8th inning his last time out, really pitching deep into games as of late. We'll see today how many innings he's got in him.
And that one fouled off. Defoe leads off first with one away. Off the mark there. And 1-1. The 1-1 is fouled off. Kicks and fires. Line drive, caught. Dives for the bag, got him. Double play. One hit in the inning, but no one left. So it's on to the bottom of inning number 1. No score. So here's Brown at the plate. He's 0 for 1.
Catfish. Brown.
On a line, base hit. Defoe coming home. Gonzalez fires it to the plate, and he's in there. And a run comes in to score.
Well, that started and ended pretty quickly. No messing around right there. Anytime you rip a line drive the other way, you feel really good about what you did at the plate. You trusted your hands, you let the ball travel, and you took the barrel straight to it. That's great work right there.
2 outs, runner at first. Tyler Hardman will hit next. Hard hit left side. And the inning is over. 2 runs, 3 hits, no errors, and 1 left. We move on to the bottom of inning number 3. The Clippers on top here. And next is the designated hitter, Catfish Brown.
Catfish. Brown.
Hey, get your pitch right now. Come on, baby, square it up.
And a good fastball to start him off. That's strike 1. And a pitch. There's the strike. Defoe, the runner at first with 2 gone. Up the middle, Roquillo. They get the force. 3rd out. So no runs, no hits, and 1 error, but they leave him stranded. Home half of the 5th coming up. The Clippers lead it 11-2. Base is empty, 1 away. Catfish Brown now at the plate. 1 for 3.
Brown.
And fouled off. One down, base is empty. In the air, right side. Gonzalez moves under this one. Puts it away for the out.
Now batting. Third baseman. Tyler.
Well, I don't know what they did in the cage today or on the field for batting practice, but when you win by double digits, something is clicking. That batting coach feels pretty good about himself right now, but more so the players. They can't wait for the next one. Come back out, score, and get another W.
And your final 12-2 for Chris Singleton and our entire crew here at MLB The Show. Thanks for stopping. Welcome to Statesman Park, AAA baseball on MLB The Show. It's the Buffalo Bisons taking on the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders. And we'll be back with the first pitch right after this. So just about set now. And today's starter, Catfish Brown. Base runners are tough to come by with him out there, Chris.
Leading off for Buffalo.
Well, he brings into this one an excellent strikeout to walk ratio on the season. And when you consider the amount of swings and misses that he gets and the fact that he's not issuing free passes, that's going to make him more economical in his pitch count, allow him to move into the middle and deeper part of ball games. So we'll see if that remains true in this one.
That one down the line, and that's just foul.
Hey, we got no one.
The pitch. Knocks that one away, and we'll do it again. The 0-2. Keeps the at-bat going with a foul ball. Righty delivers. Swing, and a ball popped up.
Got it.
And puts the squeeze on that. And there's one away. So digging in, Nathan Lukes.
Yeah, we got one here.
Nathan Lucas.
That catches the top part of the zone. Strike one.
Hey, here we go.
Ripped on a line.
Me, I got it.
He's got it, and there's two away. Here's the second baseman, Otto Lopez.
The second baseman, Otto Lopez.
Fought off foul.
Hey, plays it first.
The wind and the pitch. Swing and a high fly ball to left. Jones has a beat on it.
I got it. I go.
Drops into the glove, and that'll do it. Half inning complete. We've got no score. Second inning set to go. Now here is Orelvis Martinez.
Orelvis Martinez.
The right-hander back to work. And he takes a strike. Slapped foul. Grounder off the pitcher. Safe at first, and now we'll check on the right-hander. Hope he's all right. Catcher coming out to check on him. It looked like it got him on his back leg. So you'll wonder if that might be a problem for him in terms of pushing off the rubber.
Yeah, it's a great point, and we'll have to see how he looks. But to me, it appears he's moving pretty well. I think it's just going to sting for a while, but hopefully nothing more.
Stepping in, number 4. Put that 600 slugging into context. The league average usually in the low 400s.
Love how vocal the umpire is today. No doubt in the hitter's mind, catcher's mind, and even the pitcher's mind as to the conviction in the call.
And a pitch. Caught him looking for the K.
Wow, that's a tough call for the hitter, but the pitcher will take that all day long. Not quite in the strike zone, but he found a spot that the umpire is going to, at least for now, allow him to get that call. So hitters are going to have to make an adjustment, but pitchers are going to learn from those things and really try to exploit them if they can.
Philip Clark in the box now. No balls and a strike.
Hey, the play's at 2. Let's roll it up now.
Got him looking. That's a strikeout.
Well, interesting. He's looking very comfortable out of the stretch after giving up the leadoff single. Back-to-back strikeouts, so they haven't been able to move that runner up, get him into scoring position, and try to have a better chance of scoring. I tell you, good job so far on the mound. He just needs one more out.
Number 26 in the box with 2 gone, and takes a look at a called strike. Pitch misses inside, and now it's even 1-1. At the belt and fires. Popped up.
Mine.
Defoe makes the grab. And that is the inning. One hit, one left. We go to the bottom of inning number 2. Back here at the ballpark, and stepping in is the speedy Rafael Lantigua. Brown back to work. Lantigua getting to start at the hot corner in the 8th spot in today's lineup, and he was born in the Dominican Republic. That one misses. 1 ball, 1 strike. That misses the zone, and it's 2-1.
2 balls, 1 strike.
Good eye right there.
A rare 3-ball count here. He's been throwing strikes all day. Got to be ready to hit if you're in the box.
The other way. Hauls it in, 1 away. And here's the first baseman, number 6.
1 down.
And a pop-up, right side, foul territory. No trouble here, puts it away for the out. And there are 2 outs. So the batting order turns over. Cameron Eden digs in now. That pitch gets the corner. 0-1. Eden goes 6'1", 180 pounds, and he was a 6th round draft pick back in 2019. And he flips a breaking ball in there, or a changeup.
Either one. Something off speed. Good arm action on it. Whatever it was.
That misses, and it's 1-2.
Down now. Here we go.
The line to kick the pitch. And a foul ball. He stays alive. High fly ball down the left field line. Jones moving under it.
I got it.
And that is the 3rd out of the inning. Home half of the 3rd coming up. Start of the 4th, and now the right fielder, Nathan Lukes. The pitch. Ball 1, no strikes.
1 ball, no strikes.
Swings and chases a low one there.
Here we go now. Let's go.
Left-hand hitter waits.
Well, he went inside a couple of times, and now outside. Hitter's not exactly sure where to look for this next pitch.
And now it's even up. And a swing and a miss. And there's 1 down.
Flipped that screwball up there and got him to swing through it. It's kind of part changeup, part curveball, or reverse curveball, I guess. And clearly it's got some good movement on it. We just don't get to see a good one very often, so it's kind of fun to see. And that was a great one right there.
And now Otto Lopez. That to right.
Got it.
Hermosillo makes the grab. 2 away. So here's the cleanup hitter, Elvis Martinez. Reached on an infield single his first time. That's a strike.
0-1.
Smoked on the ground a second. That's the 3rd out. Nothing doing here this half. We're midway in the 4th. We're tied 0-0. And welcome back. New inning getting started. Now the left fielder, number 4.
Gabriel Martinez.
Here we go.
The wind of the pitch. And a strike.
You know, this group of hitters just aren't putting together very many good at-bats in this one. Just 1 base runner to this point, and it's not exactly early anymore. They have guys in this lineup capable of sparking something, but it just hasn't happened for them yet.
Next pitch is in the dirt. 2-1. Swing and a miss.
2-2.
It's 2-2. And the right-hander deals. That's hard hit on the line. He's there. He's got it. And there's one down. Here's the catcher to hit, Philip Clark. Caught looking his first time up. Pitch misses inside, and that's ball one.
1-0.
There's the strike. There's a 1-1. And strike two.
1-2.
That one to first. Chaparro takes it himself. 2 up, 2 down.
Well, he's doing a nice job of keeping the ball out of the air. Lets the defense work behind him with another ground ball. Good execution.
And now the DH, number 26. He's 0 for 1. That one's in there, 0-1.
He's controlling things out there on the mound, not messing around at all. He's been in attack mode since the very start.
The 0-2.
Ball.
Well, that's kind of what you expect in an 0-2 count. Excellent job of the hitter to have the plate discipline to lay off of that pitch.
That's inside, and that's ball 2.
2-2.
Come on, big guy, get yourself right here.
Just missed.
Really good take, especially with 2 strikes.
Eighth pitch of the at-bat coming up. And that's ball
Take your
4.
base. Ball 4.
Man, that's a tough one to take on the full count, but I guess he saw it really well. It's a really nice plate appearance.
So man aboard. Now the third baseman, Rafael Lantigua. And a foul ball. Oh, and 2 as he waves at that one.
Boog, it looked like that curveball backed up on him, and although it's a mistake, it works out really good for the pitcher. The hitter's timed it up, expects it to be to a certain spot.
Struck him out swinging. Pulled the string on the changeup.
I think the key is arm action on the changeup. When you can sell it like a fastball, you drop the velocity, you get the swing and miss, and you walk off the field.
All set for the top of the 6th. And the batter now, number 6. The pitch. That one finds the zone. That's strike 1. In the air out towards right center. Lockridge has this one sized up. And there's one down. Back to the top of the lineup. And now the center fielder, Cameron Eden.
Well, on the mound, very efficient, able to produce an outcome, it seems like, within the 3rd or 4th pitch of just about every at bat.
And that's in there for strike 1. And ball 1.
Ball.
Hey, one down now, one down.
The next offering misses. And a count 2-1. That one hit to right. Hermosillo grabs it on the run. Nathan Lukes, the next to hit.
Nathan Lucas.
Ground ball up the middle. Fires over to first. Out number 3. Make it 6 shutout innings for him out there now. To the bottom of the 6th inning. The rail. We go to the top of the 7th. Now it's the second baseman, Otto Lopez.
Got no one out now.
And here it comes. Swing and a foul straight back. The tying run at the plate.
Yeah.
Hit on the ground to the right side. And he handles it himself for the out.
The batter, number 2.
Now it's the shortstop, or Elvis Martinez. 1 for 2. First offering misses the mark.
Hey, now we got one. We got one.
Called strike right there.
1-1.
Next offering is downstairs.
2-1 the count now. He hasn't seen a fastball yet, but you've got to be ready to hit one because you doubt the pitcher wants this to go to a 3-1 count.
There's a swing and a drive. Jones ranging back, feeling for the wall as he makes the catch. And here is number 4.
Gabriel Martinez.
First pitch is in the dirt.
Hey, come on, guys.
There's a strike.
Hey, 2 outs, 1 away.
Ball and a strike. Good eye right there. Misses inside. And the count is 3-1.
Well, these guys have had a hard time scoring in this one. The guy out there on the mound wants to keep attacking, make sure that they don't get any confidence.
Two down, nobody on. This one smacked out to left center. Jones makes the play, and that'll do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join us for the traditional 7th-inning stretch.
Ready to begin the 8th. Now, Philip Clark.
The catcher, Philip Clark.
And a pitch. That's in there. It's 0-1.
0-1.
And that's outside.
Well, it's been a very impressive outing so far. His command has been a big part of it. Even when he misses outside the strike zone, which is exactly what a pitcher wants.
Hard hit, base hit. And the leadoff man aboard.
Only 2 hits allowed so far tonight, Boog, so I don't think that one will disrupt his momentum all that much. You know, he's really been on top of his game, commanding his pitches all night long.
And first offering is fouled off. Kicks and deals. Just missed.
Way to lay off that pitch down.
1-1.
And another ball.
You don't want to get beat by a fastball in,
2-1.
and he spits on that one.
Next pitch inside, and that's ball 3.
On this count, runner not known for his speed, but I think you got to put him in motion. Try to avoid a double play here, Boo.
Got a full count.
This to third, and that's a fair ball.
Turned on it nicely. Definitely a little out in front of the pitch, but he didn't hook around it too much and was able to keep it fair down the line. Now a huge at-bat in this game coming up.
Here comes the skipper out of the duck. Yency Almonte takes over on the mound. Hasn't pitched in the last 3 days.
Yency Almonte.
Well, this one was all about the pitching and defense. Outstanding job of the pitchers, really attacking hitters, trusting what the catcher was putting down, and trusting the guy standing behind him to make the plays.